Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make French fries, the perfect one which everyone desire and majority of them love. So we have to chop it in this way. So that is ready. Now in hot water I have added 1 tablespoon of salt and we'll dip all the cutting slices in the water. Then strain it. The excess water left over. Now we will spread it in a tray, and soon we have to add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and maida, means all-purpose flour. Then it will be absorbed together as we have immediately taken from hot dip water, so that it will directly absorb it. Then you can add some amount of water so that it can stick together and mix it well. This is how we have to do the coating for the crispiness, and corn flour we are adding so that it stick together. So here we have heat the pan with oil, not too hot. Then we'll start adding everything. On low flame you have to cook it so that you can get it crispy voices. Keep turning upside down so that it is fried from all the sides. In 5 minutes it will be fried and it will be ready. You can see that the color is changing, and once it is light golden brown, we'll remove it as such. So we will do seasoning with black pepper. Sprinkle 2 to 3 pinches of black pepper and 2 pinches of salt, and serve with ketchup or mayonnaise as you want. That's it. It's ready to serve.